unsung one unsung addition to the Supercharged lineup is for you guys who are Explorer Pro fans. You also and nobody mentioned it. No, it was literally on the website, and it's not even in the press materials. And there is now a 230 horse supercharged Explorer Pro. It's identical otherwise, just a slight change in weight and price.
Yep. No, leave it to you to get all the good details. That's it. We had so much product news this year that we just couldn't include it all. So yes, we've added the 230, previously only available with the 170. The Explorer Pro will now get that power boost, a little more acceleration, a little more top speed, and people were asking for it. So why not?
Right. Okay. So I'm going to set you up for one then.
All right.
Why does Explorer Pro get a 230 and Fish Pro still stays naturally aspirated?
It's a great question. And like I said, we're listening to our customers, and there's definitely opportunity for Fish Pro in the future. So you won't have to hold your breath too long. I'll just say that. But
all right.
For now, those customers, listen, Kevin, we're driving 70% new entrants to power sports on the Fish Pro. 70% of customers, it's the first time they've ever bought a power sports vehicle in their life.
Wow.
So these customers are just wanting reliability and fuel efficiency. And so for that, the 170 is delivering it in spades on the Fish Pro Sport and Trophy. But we'll continue to make sure that we crank it up in the future. Don't worry about it.
All right. My only request is that the Supercharged Fish Pro has to be in the gaudiest metal flake you can possibly produce. We need bass boat. Call it the Bass Pro. If you won't get in trouble, but we got to have metal flake. It's got to be
metal flake the size of your face, right?
just absolutely. I mean, if it doesn't look like a 1975 disco Monte Carlo, it's got to be. Dude, I live on a lake in Tennessee, man. We live and die by how much beer can you bring in a cooler and how much metal flakes on your bass boat.
Indeed. Well, I'll see what I can do with the design team.
All right. Hey, guys. Thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to Playlists, and then click on Live Sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.